Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Apocalyptic Beauty monthly subscription bag. It comes in a bag like this. And Apocalyptic Beauty is vegan, cruelty-free, and indie brand. And they do have a monthly subscription where they send 4 products, I think it is. We'll see when I get into this. But I think they always send 4 products over and some candy. And this month's box it's actually August. I'm a couple days late because I haven't been feeling up to filming. If some of you don't know, I was sick for a very, very, very long time. But I was able to make videos on my good days and just make a whole bunch and back film. But anyway, yeah, I'm a couple days late, but I'm feeling pretty good today. So August's theme is Cyber Goth. And let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, it comes in this little mesh bag. I like that. It's a nice touch. Let's go ahead and open this. They usually have candy. It looks like they have little pixie stick type or stick type candy. And this fun colors here. And then first thing that they have is Loose Shadow Orange Justice. And I'll do a little swatch, but I am going to use these on my eyes. So, oh, I've got a big scratch on my hand. But anyway, here's the orange. This is Lip Save, in case you were wondering. And then we've got Cyber K. And it's this green. It's really pretty. And that is not Lip Save. The next one we have here is Bleep. And it says, Bleep says approved for face only in the US because it is a neon pigment. It is a neon pigment. Neon pigments haven't been FDA approved yet in the US, although they have been approved in other countries, including a lot of European countries, the UK. They just haven't been tested thoroughly yet in the US, and so that's why they're not considered eye safe. However, I do use neon pigments. It says purple here, because I believe that they have been tested in other countries and that they are safe enough. I've used neon pigments from the UK before, never had a problem. So I feel comfortable using that. If you don't feel comfortable using that on your eyes, you can find maybe alternatives for that on your face, like a purple blush shade. Here's their card. Oh, we have one more product as well. Ooh, it's Graver liquid lipstick. And this is, oh, it's a sparkle lipstick. So that's cool. And it's a sparkly purple. So I'll try this on after I'm done with the eyes as well. Let's go ahead and get into an eye look here. These are all bright colors. I'm gonna go orange. And I have primed my eyes with Pretty Vulgar eye primer. You have to be careful with these loose shadows about making sure you tap off the brush and everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and do green on the lid. I'm just kind of stamping it on. I'm not going to do any blending because orange and green will just have a kind of funny color, like a sort of brownish. And with my hooded eyes, it just looks like there's a delineation between my lid and the upper part. I'm getting a bit of fallout because These are loose shadows, and I'm trying to stamp them on. And one of you commented about using glitter glue, and I actually think that I should have with this. And next time I will make sure I have glitter glue with me. I'm gonna take the neon purple and do a little bit right underneath. I'm gonna take that a little further in. I'm gonna finish up and be right back. So I'm back. I did put on the liquid lipstick, and I do like it. I think it's a really pretty color. It's not glittery, but it's shiny, and I think that's nice. It's not glittery, but it's like more mica than glitter particles, if that makes sense. It's more fine particles. I think it's really pretty. I did build it up a little bit, and I can still see, you know, my lip color underneath. I could put another, I'm sure I could just put another layer on top, but I just stopped there at 2 layers. But I do think it's a really pretty color. I'm just used to their lip products being a little more opaque, being a little more pigmented than this one. It's a little bit softer. Anyway, so I went ahead and I used a Ciate eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and then this Illuminati gel paint in electric pink in my waterline, and Tarte Maneater mascara. And anyway, so yeah, I really like this. I really like this month's. I probably would wear it all together sometimes, but I think I could see myself using the colors separately as well, for the most part, for this particular bundle. But I do like the bundle a lot, and I'm looking forward to next month. Let's take a look. Ooh, next month's theme is Vamp. It says so down here. So next month's theme is Vamp, so I'm pretty excited about that. Do you have an Apocalyptic Beauty monthly subscription? Are you interested in getting it? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Please consider subscribing if you like this content, or any of my other content as well. Everything's separated into different playlists. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.